If you use Lightroom Desktop and want to make sure your photos are protected, this video will show you exactly how backup works and how to enable a local copy for extra safety. This is a quick but important guide because Lightroom Desktop handles backups differently from Lightroom Classic. If this helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. First, let's understand how Lightroom Backup works. In Lightroom Desktop, your photos are automatically synced to Adobe Cloud when you import them. That means every photo you add is stored online and connected to your Adobe account. So unlike Lightroom Classic, you do not need to manually back up a catalog file in the same way. The cloud is doing the main storage work for you. Now here's the important part. If you want a second layer of protection, you should enable a local backup by turning on the option that says Store a copy of all originals. This is one of the most important settings in Lightroom Desktop. Once it is enabled, Lightroom saves a full local copy of every original photo file on your computer or external drive, depending on the location you choose. It does not replace the cloud copy. It works alongside Adobe Cloud, giving you both online storage and a local file backup. To turn it on, open Lightroom Desktop and go to your Settings or Preferences. Find the Storage or Cloud Backup section, then look for Store a copy of all originals. Switch it on, and then choose the folder where you want those originals to be saved. Pick a location with enough space, like a large internal drive or an external SSD if you work with lots of photos. Once that is set, Lightroom will keep saving your full resolution originals locally as you import or sync new files. It is also important to understand what this option is not. This is not just cache. Cache only stores temporary previews and helps Lightroom run faster. It does not protect your actual original photos. Store a copy of all originals is the real backup style setting because it keeps the full resolution file saved in a location you control. So the simple way to think about it is this. Adobe Cloud is your primary synced storage, and your local copy is your backup. If anything ever happens to your device, or you just want extra peace of mind, having both gives you much better protection. And that is how to back up Lightroom Desktop the right way. Enable the local original copy, choose a safe folder, and let Lightroom handle the syncing for you. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.